Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating a new project and choosing a template that matches your goal. This saves routing and instrument choices, so you work faster. Once done, set the project sample rate and bit depth for consistent audio quality, and select your Mac's audio interface under Audio I/O. Make sure to set the buffer size low for recording and higher for mixing. This balances latency versus CPU load. Now arm a track and test input levels, so you avoid clipping before you record. Next, select the proper track type and instantiate a software instrument or record audio. You want the right signal chain from the outset to avoid rework. While recording, use cycle mode to capture multiple takes and then open the takes folder to comp the best phrases. This saves time and keeps performances musical. Once you have material, use quick swipe and region fades to remove clicks and apply flex time to tighten timing. These edits preserve feel while fixing issues, so your arrangement stays coherent. Finally, build a mix by grouping tracks to buses, adding channel EQ and compression to shape tone and control dynamics. Send reverb and delay from aux buses to keep processing efficient. Once balanced, set the output level below clipping and use file bounce to create a stereo master or export all tracks for stems. If Logic behaves unpredictably, force quit, restart your Mac, and reopen Logic in safe mode or disable third-party plugins to isolate the problem. This usually
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.